Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to style links. We can use the general CSS properties like font size, color, background color, etc. to add styles to the links. Let's try some examples to understand it better. So this is the code we've got. Let's bring up our code editor here. Let's give a background color to our top bar. So let's do that. Say background color, light blue. Let's save it. Let's give it some padding. Say 24 pixels and 48 pixels. Let's save it. Let's remove this margin from the body tag. So for that, we can do something like this. Margin 0. Let's save it. Now, coming back to these links. So we need to style multiple HTML elements. So we can use class. Let's say menu item. Let's just copy this and paste it here. Let's save it. So because this is a class, we need to use dot. So menu item, let's increase the font size, say 36 pixels. Let's save it. Or let's say 24 pixels. Let's give it a margin right, say 24 pixels. Let's save it. Let's change the color, say black. And as you can see now, our link has a bigger font, has a margin on the right, and has a color black. Now let's say we want to remove this underline. So for that, we can use another property called text decoration. So let's use that. So text decoration, say none. Let's save it. And as you can see, the underlines are gone. Now, the HTML links have different states, which are as follows. So the first one is link. So this is the state when link is not visited. So it's like the default state. Then the next one is visited. This is the state when the link is visited. So user clicked on the link and visited the page. Then we've got hover. So this is the state when mouse is hovered on the link. And then we've got the last one, which is active. So this is the state when the link is clicked. That moment, that's the state called active. Let's try giving styles for these different states. First, we got to select our link. So in our case, menu item. Then we have to use colon and give the state name. So let's say by default, we've got the link. So let's give it a color, say blue. Let's save it. And because these links are not visited by the user, so these links are blue. Similarly, again, let's select our link and let's give some styles for visited. So when someone visits these links, turn them to green. Similarly, let's try it for hover. So when someone hovers, turn them red. And then we've got active. So let's write some styles for that as well. So menu item, colon, active. Let's say color purple. Let's save it. All right, so as you can see, by default, these links are blue because I have not visited these links. Now when I hover, the color should turn to red. So I hover here and the color goes red, and same goes for this one. Then we've got active. So when I click on this link, it should turn to purple. So let's try that. And as you can see, the link went purple when I clicked on it. And when I visit the link, it should turn green. So I've opened the link in a new tab and this link went green. Let's refresh the page. And as you can see, because I've already visited this link, so now it's going to be green. All right, so that's all for different states. So there are some rules when you define styles for these link states. All right, so coming up here. So the first rule is hover must come after link and visited. So in our case also, we've got hover after link and visited. And the second rule is active must come after hover. So active as you can see here, is coming after Hugo. That's all for today, guys. If there's something that you did not understand, feel free to drop a comment and we will discuss it. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.